Okay, I got cut off there. But so for economic, this one, the features are kind of labor and natural resources in an area. The purpose of it is for economic activity or to present resources that are available in an area. So a question I have for you guys here thinking about this map is where would an oil or natural gas company establish a site based on this map? And the answer to that would be, here's natural gas, the symbol, and here's petroleum. So I would say, East Coast, right by the Gulf of Mexico, would be a great place to set up a site, or over here, kind of in West Texas, for petroleum. But if you definitely for natural gas, it would be done here. So that's what the purpose of an economic map would be. Roadmap. This might look familiar for those of you who don't know. Before GPS, Google Maps and Waze and all of those things, you had a physical paper map that had all the roads and stuff on it. So some features here are roads, major and minor, not as minor as the ones in your neighborhood, but definitely all the major highways and major streets. Sometimes there's airports. There's always cities, borders to the states, and the purpose is used for to navigate, but it shows transport links between Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, or even just getting from Fort Worth to Austin. What highways would I take? So that's the road map. This is the end of the 5 themes of geography lecture, plus the 6 types of maps. Again, I did it this way, and I know it was fast, you guys. I totally acknowledge that I flew through that. But I did that so you can pause and stop and go back and tailor it to how fast or slow you need to go. I also kind of had to do it this fast for the first class I did it to. And so I'm posting it for them too, so they can stop and go back and listen, so you guys can add all the important stuff to your Cornell notes and have all the information you need for your quiz. So you may have to listen to some of the slides a few times, but again, if you're still confused by anything or you want me to further explain something, just shoot me an email and be like, I really don't understand the difference between absolute and relative location, and I'm more than happy to explain that to you guys. So here is the end of the 5 themes of geography, and I will see you guys next class.